Hey everybody, it's me, Pickles, and Mr. Big, and
Yes,
we told you we
me.
were gonna make videos this weekend. Well, I told you. So if you didn't see our video yesterday, we're trying the Superman meal, and today we're gonna be making 3 videos. But today, let's get into it. We got Labubu'S. So Mr. Big actually has one, and he got this one last time, but now he's got the Big into Energy, and then we're gonna make another video, and I'm gonna get the Big into Energy, and he's gonna get whatever. So what I'm hoping to get is either the pink one or that one. Or maybe those two, but I don't want those. Show them what you want to get.
I want to get all of them except for happiness, but happiness is also
Or maybe
fire.
a secret. Okay, let's open it. Ready?
Okay. Do you know how to open it? You have to grab this up like that.
Okay.
This is my pro.
So this is my first time getting them, but you know.
Yeah. See what that does.
But I've seen them all over, so I know what they are and stuff. Okay, ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1.
Cheers.
Oh, I got the purple one.
Ooh!
Wow.
I got the soy milk one.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, I like it.
Who did I get? I got luck.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, the pink one's pretty and everything, but I kind of like this one.
Yeah, I like this one too.
It could go with my Jordans that I have. They're kind of tan. Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
Let me see this.
I like also mine.
They got a little sticker. It's
Yep.
cute. And then
And I got salt.
They just got a salt thing that's don't eat, keep away from children, whatever. But,
And I got a card. Oh, luck's card.
oh, nice. So I got that one. I wanted this one or this one, but I'm actually happy with what I got.
Yeah, me too.
Like and subscribe for more.
Look at the mystery one.
Oh my gosh.
So that's the mystery one. It's on my packaging.
Oh, mystery one's that one first. Okay, like and subscribe if you wanted us to unbox more of these, and maybe we'll unbox Sony
Yeah.
Angels. Bye. Like and
Bye.
subscribe.